Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp channel. So first you just have to simply launch your WhatsApp application and you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. So we have options above, but what you're going to do here is to click updates and that is next to chats. So below here you should see under channel there is a plus button right here. Unfortunately, this one is not available to all countries. So if your country has that button below or under this channel, all you have to do is to tap that one. And then once you tap that channel or plus channel, you should see there create a new channel. And this is what it looks like. Okay, here's our create a channel to reach unlimited followers. So the advantages of creating your channel on WhatsApp is, anyone can discover your channel. People see your channel, not you. You're responsible for your channel. So these are the things you should remember when creating a channel. Now, once you're okay with this, then all you have to do is to click continue. And then what you want to do here is to think for a channel name, and also you can add a description to your channel. Including a description is useful for your followers. So once you're done with the channel name and description, then what you want to do is to click create channel. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.